and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash. Today we are going to sit down and we are going to talk about this month's Boxycharm box. So this is for the month of, what are we in? June? We're in June. This is for the month of June. So let's just go ahead. I've already applied everything on my face so I can tell you guys how it applied, how it worked, all that kind of fun stuff. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So the theme for this month's Boxycharm is Caribbean Queen, and it just has these beautiful girls here, all Caribbean girls. Kathleen Lights is in there, girl. And then of course Boxycharm always prints everything out, shows you what you're getting in the box, how much each product is for the box, and kind of how to use it and all that kind of fun stuff. So basically Boxycharm retails for $21 US a month. You get 4 to 5 luxury samples or full-size items. So most of the time we get full-size items. There was one product in here that was not a full-size. So I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about that first. First thing we got is the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So I have not tried this. It looks like mine leaked a little bit out of the little holder, but it looks like this, you guys. I don't think this is in focus. You get it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my arm. Feels nice. I think I like that. It smells, oh my goodness, it smells like Mexico. I know I always say that about things, but like, oh, there's just so many scents that like bring me back to Mexico or the beach or just like hot places, and I just love that smell. Like I said, this is the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Retails this size. It's like a kind of like deluxe sample size. Retails for $10. It adds a perfect Brazilian glow as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. So most people like apply this to their legs, of course their bum. I'm really excited to try this. I've heard amazing things about this, so I'm really excited to try it in the summer when I'm wearing shorts or I'm wearing my bathing suit. You know how it is. I'm excited to give that a go for sure. But yeah, so far it feels really nice, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but it does leave like a nice glow. Like I put it just right here. You can see just a nice like sheen to the skin, so I'm excited to give that a full go on my legs later on this summer. So the next thing that I was actually able to try, since I wasn't really able to talk too much about the Bum Bum Cream, is the Alamar, I'm gonna butcher this, Alamar Reina del Caribe, and it is an eyeshadow palette. So this guy comes with 8 shades. We have 4 matte shades at the bottom here and then 4 shimmery shades. I've seen a couple people do looks on this palette already, and they went for like a blue lid, and so I didn't want to do like kind of what everybody else was doing, so I went for this kind of like green color through this shimmer in like my inner tear ducts, and then used this shade, and this shade in my crease and like surrounding lid area. Let's go ahead, I guess, and we will quickly swatch a couple of the shades. I didn't try the blue shade, so let me swatch those. So we have the 3 on my fingers here. Blues look really pretty. I'm really excited to do a look with those blue shades as well. Oh, and then this is the matte here. So that's, see, I don't even want to say the shade names because I'm going to butcher them all. This one here is Guantanamera. I get it. That's that shade. And then here we have Celia and Verdero up is the top shade. Really pretty shades. I found everything blended really nice on the eyes. Really good pigment. I didn't have any troubles like blending anything together or anything being like patchy or looking strange on the eyes. So I think I'm really gonna get a lot of use out of this palette in the summer. Very warm tone shades as well, so definitely a go-to. I really like it. This palette here retails for $28, and yeah, I really like it so far, you guys. Honestly, I'm excited to do a couple more looks with it. Next thing in the box this month is the Baddington Monroe Silk Eyelashes. I'm wearing them today. They're definitely a very natural lash. They're nothing too dramatic, nothing too crazy, so perfect for like your everyday looks. Throw on, go to work, throw on, go out to a dinner date with a friend, something like that. Maybe not evening lashes. I'd probably wear something a little bit more dramatic for the evening time, but I really like them. They retail for $28, so they're definitely an expensive lash. They are a silk lash as well. I had to cut them down a little bit because they're a little bit long for my lashes, but I actually really like them. I think they're really pretty. They have a really nice like fluttery, oh I still have so much stuff on my fingers. Really a really nice like fluttery look to the lashes that I really like. Very wispy, very natural looking, and so far I'm really liking them, and $28 That's an expensive price for lashes, so I'm excited to get those in the box. It says they allow up to 25 application if you take care of them well enough. So if you take the glue off properly, if you're not like clogging them with mascara, things like that, they're gonna last you, it sounds like, a really long time. Next thing in the box was these 3 brushes. So these are all from Lexi Beauty. First we have the Lexi 660. This is a precision foundation brush. I tried to use this to apply my foundation, and maybe it was just the foundation that I used today, but I did not like this brush. It was a little bit, it's just not dense enough for what I like my foundation brushes to be. Little loose. Maybe this would be good for like a light coverage BB cream type of situation, but for a full coverage foundation, I didn't like this. It just left it too streaky, I found. Next brush I used was the Lexi 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush. I use this just to set my under eyes, my little Cupid's bow where I sweat, my chin where I sweat, and my nose a little on the sides where I sweat. I didn't set the rest of my face just because I went in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I did a full review on it. I can link up here if you guys are curious. I hated this foundation. I used it a couple times after I tried it the first time, but still didn't like it, and I really haven't used it in pretty much since that video, more or less. But it's so matte on the skin. So now that it's coming summer, I'm starting, my oils are coming out a little bit more than they used to. So I wanted to try it today to see how it looked with a little bit more of an oily skin situation. So I'm gonna see how it holds up. Maybe I'll let you guys know down below if my opinion changed on it at all. Anyways, for this powder brush, again, I'm not sure if I would really use this too much for powder. It's very dense. It's like a dual fiber type of brush. I found maybe for light dusting, like it worked well just for a light dusting, which is what I needed today, which actually this brush worked perfect for. I probably wouldn't use this on a regular basis, for that at least. I would maybe use this, maybe a contour, even like a blush maybe I would use this for. I'll definitely try a couple more different ways to use this, but overall it's a nice brush. I just have to find a good way to use this. And then the last brush was the Lexi 522 Tapered Highlighter Brush. So I used this obviously to highlight my cheeks today, and it worked good. Definitely worked good. The tapered highlight brush worked great to highlight my cheeks. I really enjoyed it for my cheeks, so I'll definitely keep using that. I always love to get brushes. I always get my use out of brushes. I will always find a way to use them, and especially Luxie brushes. I find them to be such good quality, and I really like them, so I'm really happy to always get them. So this 3-piece Flawless Complexion brush set, it retails for $42 from Luxie, so that's also a great price. Next thing, let's jump back to the eyes quickly. This is the Jante Blue eyeliner pencil in 912 Charcoal. I didn't love this, you guys. I really didn't. It's like a gray color. I tried it in my waterline, so maybe I'll have to try it a couple different ways. It didn't really show up very well in my waterline. As you can see, like there's really nothing there. Maybe this would work better like smudged out on the upper lash line like a liner. I don't know, not my favorite. These retail for $5. I've tried these before as well, and they've never been my favorite. I just find the formula to be very like hard and like skippy and kind of hard. So don't know if I'd recommend that to you guys. And then the last thing was, where did I put you? Last thing was the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Verona. These guys retail for $21, and I absolutely love the formula on the Ofra liquid lipsticks. It's just like this really nice kind of darker nude color, just right here, like a nudie brown. Obviously, I'm wearing it on my lips today, and I really like this. I have something similar by ABH. I think the ABH one is a little bit darker than this one, but I really like it. It goes with a lot of different looks as well, so it's very versatile. You could wear it with multiple different eye looks, even like a natural look I think you could do. So I really like it, and I love the formula of Ofra. The Ofra liquid lips retail for $21. So the full box this month retails for $134, which is absolutely amazing considering you only pay $21 for the box. In Canada, I do pay a little bit more just because of shipping and then the exchange rate and all that. So I'm paying anywhere from about $30 to $35 a month depending on the exchange rate that month. But still, to get $134 worth of product in the box is absolutely amazing. I love Boxycharm. So I'm just trying to find July spoilers. So if you guys don't want to see anything, click away now. But let me see here. I think I maybe found something. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, it's a little early in the month, so I'm not seeing too much. What I am seeing is we may potentially be getting a Kat Von D product in the July box. You guys are aware of the situation with Kat Von D, which I'm sure most of you are. The whole situation with her pregnancy and not getting her future child vaccinated. I'm not 100% sure how I feel. I love Kat Von D products, like I'm not gonna lie. However, I just don't know if it's the right time to be sending out a Kat Von D product with all the drama she's been in lately. We'll see. I'm curious to see if it is for July that we'll be getting a Kat Von D product, and if we do, like what it will be. It doesn't say. Like I said, it's early in the month, so it's only the 13th of June. Spoilers usually start coming out around like the 20th or so of the month. So right now, I can't tell you for sure what we're going to be getting in the July box, but potentially a Kat Von D beauty product. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Usually I say I post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, but you guys, I started a job and I've just been so busy trying to film. I haven't been getting out videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and I really do apologize for that. I'm gonna try and get out as many videos as I can for you, but they might be a little bit slower than they used to, so I'm sorry for that. But definitely make sure you subscribe. I'm definitely gonna make sure I try and post at least one video a week for you guys. If you wanna see more from me more often, you can definitely go follow me on Instagram. It's just a Splash of Nash on Instagram as well, and I usually post Monday to Friday on Instagram, so I usually do a couple videos a week on there, makeup videos, and then a couple photos as well for you guys. So if you want to see more from me, you can definitely go follow me on Instagram. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching the video, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye bye. Bye bye.